Hey guys, it's Tom LeBar here, and today, guys, we are going to be playing some Bee Swarm Simulator in Roblox today. But my friend Brandon, he's live streaming at the time that I'm recording this. I'm premiering right now, and he's actually like live streaming, so go check out his stream. Like at the time I'm recording this, he's live. Let me show you guys. See, he's live right here. And yeah, go check out his stream if you want. This, this stream isn't gonna be as long as his, but hey, it's gonna be something. Well, this is a premiere. It's not supposed to be that long. Live streams are supposed to be like an hour to 2 hours or something like that. I don't know. Premieres are like near like I don't know, 10 to 20 minutes ish. Not that good, but don't worry, guys. I'll do a live stream. Probably in maybe like a month or a couple of weeks or so. Cause I'm going to try it. I got my streaming stuff all set up, like the foam on my walls, OBS, what's it called? I don't know. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go into loading so I can really quickly grind, and then that will be interesting. So we're going to. Okay, so I did grind a lot just now, as you can see. Not that much, but kind of. I actually got that, like, well, I meant to tell you guys. I want to show you guys the winter update. So as you can see, as I grind, as the pollen goes down, which runs out, as you can see, there's white snow down there. See that? And the white snow, is, I just said it's snow. The white stuff is snow. It's so obvious, but for little kids it won't be. Okay. Yeah. This stream is probably gonna be about like, I don't know, 16 to like 15 to 16 minutes long. I can't really check it. That's because I don't have another monitor. So you're gonna see my OBS once in a while. I can't really fix that. So. Okay, let's head over to the mantis and stuff. Let's get that. Good. Wait, do I have enough to wait, I can craft this. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now, guys, as you can see, I can fit one of them, but can't afford. I'm actually gonna get this soon, because I'm actually not even close to there. Never mind, not soon. But but we're gonna be grinding for new stuff and more bees in this stream. So yeah, so that probably won't take as long, but alright, Brandon just gifted me Grand through 2 white Oh, I got a lot of stuff from him, so not actually that much, but yeah, not bad. Are you guys surprised that like 500,000? I know that's a random number, but 500,000 isn't that much for me in B-Swarm? Because I need 1 mil next. So yeah. For my next bee, I'm probably gonna be grinding for a lot. And at the cactus field. No, where is the cactus field? Is it over here? Where is it? Oh wait, the cactus field's up there. Okay, Bacon Boy, if you're watching this video, there's and he's watching Brandon's live stream too. Bacon Boy, you're a real hero. Alright, Venomous Bee has been removed. Venomous Bee has actually been killed, not removed. What am I saying today? But yeah. Okay, really quick, my bees are gonna kill this dude. Okay. Well guys, if we head over to Brandon's hive, look how much bees this dude has. He has a lot. He has a lot of gifted too. I have just 1 gifted, not that bad, but it's okay. I actually don't have that much bees, believe it or not. For like beginners, they think I have a lot of bees, but you know. It's good that they think, but I, to be honest with you, I really don't. I mean, I've grinded a lot in like the past, I don't know, few weeks. And I've gotten a little, but not much. Yeah. And if you guys want to play this, it's linked in I'll put it in the link in the description. After this stream, or I think, yeah, it's already in the description. But you can check out B-Swarm. There's no skill to it, so you will never be like really good at it. Like if you grind a lot, you'll look good, but you know, there's no skill to this game. It's just grinding, so yeah. I got a little bit there. That's nice. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, wait. And like, I probably haven't been recording for that long, so I'm gonna keep doing this. I don't guys get to see my OBS until I get my other monitor. Right, star. Guys, comment down below. Type in the chat what those stars do, because I don't know what the stars do. Next time, I won't check chat in this live stream. I'll type back to you, but I won't actually say it, but because this is a premiere, you know. You can't really predict what's coming. Who's gonna type and what? So yeah. But guys, type in the live chat what you do with the stars. Wait, where's my star? Wait, where the heck is my star? Okay, apparently stars don't do anything because I don't even have it. Okay, that's kind of weird, but okay. Yeah. Sorry. But yeah, Brendan is actually been grinding a lot. Go check out his channel. It's gonna be linked in the description too. I think the live stream actually will be linked in the description. If you wanna go check that out. Wait, let me double check. Is it down there? Wait, I'm gonna check on my video. Okay, his link is down there. So, I know this is a premiere, but I can predict pretty well. And now, I know I'm being weird. Well, for some people I am, but for people younger than me, no. I don't think so. Or what? Am I being weird to you guys? Yeah, you can type that in the chat and I'll respond to that. I won't, I'll just type back. I won't say anything though. Like in this stream, you know. But, that's gonna be helpful. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's grind this out too. Where's my dish? Grind this out. I can't speak today. Well, okay. But yeah. Oh wow, I need to grind a lot. I only have that much money. That's not that much. Okay, let's go ahead and cash out to get more money. Actually, we'll get a little more. Let's go over here. Let's drop a gun drop. Okay. There. YT, look. Boom. I am recording. Talking to me. I don't know if he's talking to me. Both me and Brandon. Well, he's live streaming. I'm streaming, but I'm not live. I'm premiere. If you know the difference between that, it's basically a pre-recorded live stream. That's what a premiere is. Yo, dude, look at this guy. I gotta go play Dude, look at all these. Look at all these. You grind a lot, my guy. Sprout has appeared. Nice. Wait, who is this? Okay, this is Brandon. Wait. Give me those. I might use some royal jellies in this video. How much royal jellies do I have? Really? Only 12? Okay. A reindeer puppy pack. Wow. That's a lot of that. Wait, how much? Okay, that's only 800. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna be for sale for much longer. But yeah. I'm gonna go cash out some stuff. Okay, how much time have I been recording? We're going into loading, 1 sec. Oh wait, whoops, wrong button. Well, that's gonna end it off for this stream. I hope you had a wonderful day. And make sure to like and subscribe.